When you're percussing any organ, you're really looking for three specific sounds: resonance, timpani, and dullness. Dullness is a very short, flat, low-pitched sound that you would hear simply if you percussed over some muscle. So we can do that now. You barely hear anything at all. Resonance is the sound of a chorus of low-pitched sounds throughout a tissue that is relatively hollow. It's not a hollow viscous, it's not a drum, but it is nonetheless airy and light. And that perfectly describes the chest, right? So let's take a listen to see what the sound of resonance sounds like. So this is the sound of timpani. You can tell it's a single pitch. It's hollow sounding and it's relatively long as well.